Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. I'm kind of over here by Paradise Key in Rockport, Texas. The wind's picking up about 23 miles an hour, and it is 70 degrees mid January. Cold front's going to move in tonight, and we'll be down in the 40s overnight. We can handle that. It's going to be good sleeping weather, and I don't know if you caught yesterday afternoon's video. My DeWalt fan pooped out on me. So I have that. I ordered a new one, and I'm perfect timing if it had to go. I have a small fan to use. Everything, everything gonna be all right this morning. Oh yeah. How's my knees today? Pretty good. Thanks for asking. Well, why don't you get out of the truck then and go show us what's down that pier? Okay, we can do that. There is the restaurant. They got good food there, really good views. Paradise Key, Rockport proper's back that way. There's Aransas Bay out there somewhere. Ooh, so windy it's taking the camera when I hold it with one hand. Got a fisher person. Got some art hanging up. It took me a minute to realize what that was. That's pretty neat. That sign says, need help on the water? 361-813-1273. Towboat US. Well, that's neat. Ooh, those people over there have a dog. Like a white shepherd kind of dog. Pretty cool. Over there is marker 12. That's a bar. And they got food. That's funny. We were just reading the sign. I was just reading the sign. No, I was reading that sign advertising you. Need ink here. I guess he wants the lady fishing to tow her line in so he can go through. Huh. It's really windy out here, guys. But it's pretty windy. Man, I gotta check. I wouldn't be surprised if we're getting 30-mile-an-hour winds right now. Let me get my old fat butt back to the truck. You know, if you guys ever feel bad for me and Luciano, I pity these people having to live like that. That's a nice boat. Took them a while to back it in, but I would imagine the wind has something to do with that, and it's big. There's a little fish cleaning stand. It's nice. They got pictures of Eugene all over the place here. 27 miles an hour the winds right now, guys. That cold front's coming. Some of you people up north, a little bit of us, like the top of Louisiana, my buddy Gary, they got hit with it already. But if you're not in the wind, it's a nice day right now. wanted to head over to Port Aransas today, but the beach and the high wind like this are not a good combination, especially when it's coming out of the north, because then it's blowing the loose sand from the dunes and all, and it's not that much fun. I do want to get over there, though. There's some historic markers I want to check out. My buddy Mike mentioned it, and I always have a good time over there. I always find a lot to do. There's Ann's Bait House 2, right on the side of the restaurant, that lower level right there. You can tell by the flags. The wind is blowing. Let's go over to the House of Boats. Little shipyard, another shipyard. This one's in Rockport. Some have been here since Harvey. You can kind of see them piled up pieces in the back. But there's a new one over here I wanted to take a look at. Some seem like they've been here a long time, and some are, they come in and get repaired and go right out. And I do apologize. We're going to be looking into the sun here. It's a nice color blue. Research vessel 361-717-4176. RV. Oh, I know that name and I'm stuck on it. Archimedes. I'm going to say Archimedes. Remember those claymation movies that would come on? They always had ancient Romans battling clay dinosaurs and four-headed dragons. There was always a Archimedes in there. And there's a lot of money sitting here, whether it was spent recently or 50 years ago, you know. Look at the dents on this. It looks like they've been working on it, or maybe they just painted that hull, huh? Or they're working on it. They're working on it. And so I apologize about the sun. I just find it real interesting. We'll go down here. I just got to be careful. I don't want to hit a boat. Nor do I want a boat to fall on me. Matter of fact, I think this is about as far as we can safely go. Let me get turned around here, guys. Well, we're not looking into the sun anymore, but we're facing into the wind. So we'll have to see what that does to us. Or maybe not. That boat says, or maybe not. I would have went with the KNOT, or maybe not. I've said it before. I'll say it again. I'll say it right here. You know what BOAT stands for, right? Bust out another 1,000. Ocean Alliance. Excuse me. Ooh, someone's not working today. Another sailboat. I don't know why this stuff fascinates me, but it does. House of Boats. Found some more, guys. Dream Seeking, Rockport, Texas. Spontaneous. Agave. Yet to be determined. There's an old tour boat. They're working on them up there. That one's from Corpus Christi. This must be the working part of the harbor. Win some. Win some, lose some. Got some solar panels on that one. There's a lot of money sitting around. There's the channel. No one's behind us. That's good. We were over there. There's the other boatyard. You can kind of see it. Car coming, so I'm going to get back on my side of the road. I don't know if I've ever gone all the way back here or how far back we can go. Text dive, commercial diving services, marine service. Water's just a beautiful color. The skies are pretty. Bet you sailboats could get some speeds today. Well, I would say they don't want us to come in there. What do you guys think? Let's turn around and go about our business. There is a tugboat right there. I don't see any do not enter or no trespassing signs. Let's go in and turn around at least. We can get a look at the tugboat. All right. Tugboat, towboat. We'll just get turned around here. Oh, there's a few over here. Cool. Let's get turned around and go mind our business. Yeah, there's several over here. We get a quick shot of them. It's pretty. Well, guys, we'll let them get their work done. I didn't see anyone, but I could hear machinery. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for riding along. Here's this guy. Thanks for watching.